Good morning, students. We have been learning conjunctions and you have learned about its definition and its major types. As far as its definition concerned, conjunctions are joining words. Basically, they are joining words, and if we define it, the words which join the words or two phrases or two sentences even. Okay. Yesterday we have learned about subordinating, coordinating conjunctions. Even one more type. What was it? It was cumulative conjunctions. Okay. So these conjunctions are which correlative conjunctions. First was coordinating conjunctions, second was subordinating, and third one was correlative conjunctions. As I defined, coordinating conjunctions join the words of equal rank, equal status. But it is not so with the subordinating conjunctions. Actually, these subordinating conjunctions join two clauses, and one of which is subordinate to other. They do not join the sentences or the words of equal status, equal rank. Now, there were a number of examples given yesterday. We will continue with it. But these subordinating conjunctions are of broadly divided into 9 parts, 9 categories. Okay. First of all, subordinating conjunctions of time. Subordinating conjunctions. They are of 9 types. First of all, subordinating conjunction of time. When they show or when they join, when the words or the sentences are joined by using the words which are the representatives of time, which show the time, when, where, till, since, after, even there are more, as, before, as long as, these are all the conjunctions of time. The train had left the station before I reached there. Okay, this is the conjunction of time. Time bata raha hai, before I reached there, the train had left. Then it was raining when I reached the station. Okay. Whenever you visit or whenever you get the chance to visit Shimla, do visit my house. Okay. Since, after, while, until, till, as long as. Make hay, most common example. Make hay while the sun shines. Okay. These are the examples of the subordinating conjunctions of time. When I reached the station, the train had left. Fine. Or he will not do the work as long as I do not assist him. So these are the examples of the conjunctions of means subordinating conjunctions of time. Wait here till I return. One more example. Wait here till I return. I waited for him until it became dark. Okay? There is a difference between little difference between till and until. He has not seen me since he left me. ये भी क्या है, यहाँ पर टाइम को शो कर रहा है. Then the conjunction of place. This is the subordinating conjunctions of place, where and wherever. You can sit wherever you like. You can sit wherever, जहाँ भी, wherever you like. Or you can find, or you will find your books where you have kept them. Why are you looking here and there? You will find your books where you have kept it. So this is the conjunctions of time, subordinating conjunction of time. Then comes the subordinating conjunction of reason. Because and since we are using very commonly these words, still you can have certain examples like the deer ran away because he saw a lion. The deer ran away because he saw the lion. And another one, I will attend the party. I will attend your party since you have sent me the invitation. Okay, since you have sent me the invitation. Okay, then the subordinating conjunction of purpose. Purpose. This box is so heavy that I cannot lift it. Fine. Then walk careful lest you should fall. See the use of lest. Lest means ताकि नहीं. समझ में आ रही है? लेस का यूज समझ लो आप आज. लेस इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव फॉर्म. Walk carefully lest you should fall. Walk carefully lest you should fall. नहीं तो तुम गिर जाओगे. ठीक है? So lest is used in that sense. L-E-S-T, lest. Now the subordinating conjunction of result. It is that. That is very commonly used. We use it day to day in our writing. We eat that we may live. We eat that we may live. Then we may have another example. Ram worked hard. Yeah, Ram worked so hard that he secured the first position. Okay. Then we come to another example. He spoke in such a high-pitched voice that everyone got scared of him. He shouted in such a high-pitched voice that everyone got afraid of him. Fine. This is another example. Now we come to the subordinating conjunction of condition. What is the condition? Condition. I will help you if you arrange books for me. If is the condition here. If you arrange the books for me, I shall make arrangements for you if you tell me the plan. So this is the condition. He cannot pass unless he works hard. Condition में unless word भी एक unless. He cannot pass unless he works hard. Okay? And whether has near about the same meaning as if. if और whether एक जैसे ही words हैं. When we change direct speech into indirect one, so in interrogative sentences we can use interrogative भी जो helping verb से start हो. The sentences which start with helping verb, they are joined with the connector words if or whether. Both have the same meaning. Now we come to another type, that is the subordinating conjunction of concession. Concession, that is though and although. Though he is rich but miser. Though Ramlal is rich, he is, यहाँ हमें कॉमा से सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा. Though Ramlal is rich, he is miser. Okay. Then he will not pass, although he had put in his best efforts. Although he had put in his best efforts. There is one more, however, concession. However, there is one more conjunction here, however. Then we come to the another type, this subordinating conjunction of comparison, as then. When we compare two nouns, two sentences, we use the comparison, comparative conjunctions like as or then. We are commonly using them. He is as clever as his brother. He is as clever as his brother. As is used here. He is taller than his father. Than is commonly used when we show the comparative degree. We use than with it. Okay. He is taller than his father. He is smarter than his brother. He is more confident than his brother. So when we use comparative degrees, we use than with it. And is used to show the rank of equal status, that is, जैसे अभी मैंने एग्जांपल दिया, he is as rich as his friend. Okay. He is not clever as his brother. So these are the examples of the conjunctions of comparison, as then. And there is one more. As can also be used as the conjunctions of manner. Manner का भी लिए भी यही काम में आता है as. Comparison के लिए भी आता है. Purpose के लिए भी आता है यही as. Like, I have to get up early in the morning as I have my cricket match at 7 o'clock. यहाँ हम as भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay. So of extent और manner. Manner के लिए हम use करते हैं as you saw, so shall you read. Okay. As you saw, so shall you read. जैसा बोगे वैसा काटोगे. It all ended as we expected. So it was manner. कैसा हुआ वह. It all ended as we expected. Got it? So this way we have understood various types of conjunctions and their uses. Many examples were given to you. Now we come to correlative either and either or means those conjunctions which are used in pairs, so that either or, neither nor. Okay. Take one example. Ram is guilty, you are guilty. These are two sentences. So we are going to combine or join these two sentences by using as well as. Ram as well as you are guilty. Okay. Ram as well as you are guilty. Now some other sentence. He is not a gambler. He is not an idler. Okay. Which correlative conjunctions are to be used? Neither nor. He is neither a gambler nor an idler. Next sentence, we love India, we honor India. We love India, we honor India. We both love and honor India. We love both. We both love and honor India. Okay. So these are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Either or, you may take it, you may leave it. These are the two sentences. You may take it, you may leave it. So you may either you take it or leave it. This is the conjunction, this is the final statement. Either take it or leave it. Okay. So these are so many sentences for practice given to you. So take care while you use these conjunctions in sentences and solve the exercises. I have sent you one exercise to solve. So solve it carefully and send me the answer. Okay. Solve the exercise that I have sent you today. There are many sentences in the assignment that I have sent you. Okay. In another example, although and yet, how they are used. Although he is poor, yet he is content. Although yet. Although he is poor, yet he is content. He is very weak, he cannot walk. Now we have to join them. He is very weak. He cannot walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. So that से combine करेंगे हम इसे. You may go, next example, you may go anywhere, you will think of me. You may go anywhere, you will think of me. Then, how to make it? Wherever you go, you will think of me. Okay? The bus was moving. He fell off the bus. The bus was moving. He fell off the bus. What we should write? While the bus was moving. We have to use this conjunction at the beginning. While the bus was moving, he fell off the bus. Okay. Next example. He is strong. He is bold.
He is strong and bold.
He is strong and bold. Okay. Because these are the qualities of equal rank. Or it is combined with although also. Although he is strong, he is bold. Then he is very weak. In another example, he is very weak. He cannot stand.
He is very weak, so he cannot
A
stand.
pair that is 2-2. Remember it? 2-2. 2, 2, 2. He is too weak to stand. This is used in negative conjunction, means it shows the negative form. Too weak. He is too weak to stand. हमें ये बताना है कि वो इतना वीक है कि वो खड़े नहीं हो सकते. Okay, as I gave you one, I am going to come back to this same example once back. This box is so heavy that I cannot lift it. I joined the sentence with so that.
The box is too heavy to lift.
Yes, if we join this 2-2, it will change its form. This box is too heavy to lift. There is a slight difference between the pronunciation of these two words. 2. Okay, T-O-O, 2 and 2. This box is too heavy to lift. Fine. So I hope all of you have understood it, not only but also either or, neither nor, so as. He is as meek as a lamb. Lamb is considered as a meek creature. So when we want to show the quality of meekness, we use this as. He is as meek as a lamb. Then the water is as clear as crystal. The water is as clear as crystal. Such that, it is also another conjunction. Such was his faith in the deity, means in God, that he sacrificed his life. Such was his faith in God that he sacrificed his life. As you sow, so shall you reap. As so. It is correlative. So the as I have sent you the practice material, go through it, note them down in your notebook. So you will be having a good practice and you will be able to understand all the conjunctions that have been explained to you. Note them down in your notebook. Okay. So I am going to end the meeting.